Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video I just want to talk about how you can get bigger braids without helps. Just how, as a village girl, I just want to be giving you only natural remedies, how to try your skin, how we do keep these skins at home. So without waste of your time, I'll just keep everything short. So all you're going to get okra and olive oil. Yeah, so cut okra into pieces, in small pieces. Oh, this boy, he likes being in my videos. Yeah, so you get okra, then get olive oil, cut okra into pieces, don't add in water, then get those okra pieces, add them in olive oil, then keep them for 24 hours. After 24 hours, remove the okra pieces, then get a stainer, stain the oil, then keep it. Then you start applying it on your butt and hips in a circular motion for at least the first 7 days on a daily basis. Okay, so you start applying in a circular motion in the very first 7 days, in a morning and in the evening. Trust me, you're going to be getting bigger butt and bigger hips. Yeah, but if you like this video and you'd like me to do a lot of videos about bigger beauty, how I do keep my skin naturally, I'm going to be taking you in these tips every day and always. Just drop your comment, don't forget to subscribe. Let's start this journey together as a village girl naturally, only natural remedies. Love you.